Hello, so in my last recording we talked about, some important things that you have to do, to write things and look professional, but I thought this one we could make some fun words, like making the word color change or making the background change is pretty fun. If you're making a party invitation or just something fun, then you want to know how to do these things. You can change it to a really fun, different type of writing. You could also make it really big because you want it. Just make sure that you do hold your cursor over that so it goes over all of it. Sometimes you make a lot of changes, and if you don't hold your cursor over it, then none of the changes are applicable. That's how you make a fun Word doc.